Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we'll dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best ZigZag indicator and how it can transform your trading strategy. The powerful tool is essential for identifying market trends and filtering out noises, allowing you to focus on what the true matter means. Stick around until the end of this video to discover how this indicator can enhance your trading accuracy and help you capture those critical market swings. So let's get started. We start by understanding what the swing zigzag indicator is all about. And this indicator is a technical analysis tool used by traders to identify specific price movements while filtering out minor fluctuations in price. It connects the top and bottom price It connects the top and the bottom price movements, providing a clear visual representation of trends and market structure. By doing so, it helps traders focus on the essential price action, making it easier to spot potential trading opportunities. The best zigzag indicator is the swing zigzag indicator. The swing zigzag This tool takes the basic concept of the zigzag indicator and enhance it with greater precision and flexibility. It is specifically designed to capture more accurate swing highs and lows, which are crucial for identifying trend reversals and continuation. These levels are precise, allowing traders to make more informed decisions based on the clearer market signal. The swing zigzag indicator stands out due to its ability to adjust its sensitivity to market conditions. This ability makes it able to be reliable and makes it provide more reliable signals in various market environments, whether the market is trending or whether the market is ranging. Moreover, it reduces false signal by focusing only on significant price movement, which help traders avoid unnecessary trades. Now we can see the way the indicator smoothing out price shows us the exact market structure we are looking at. As you can see, this is the swing point that we are being focused on the chart. Another advantage of the swing zigzag indicator is its versatility in application. Traders can use it to identify support and resistance level. What we have to do is draw a trend line and recognize chart pattern such as head and shoulders or double top pattern. This make it a valuable tool for both trend following strategies and reversal trading setup. With this indicator, we can be able to spot reversal patterns as quick as possible. As we can see, there was a triple top at this area before price reversed, showing fully well that the indicator do not lie. So let's go into how we can use this swing zigzag indicator to our benefit. How we can effectively use it in our trading. The first way we can effectively use it is by identifying the market trend. This indicator can help us identify the market trend. The swing zigzag indicator connects key swing points, making it easier to determine where the market is in an uptrend and when the market is in a downtrend and when the market is ranging. This indicator makes it easier for us to spot these signals or this market direction. And as we can see in this area, we can see the line was showing us that we are currently in a downtrend. Starting from here to this area, when price broke the previous structure and is retracing now. This is what the power of the swing zigzag indicator can do. It also helps us to spot key support and resistance level on the chart. Swing highs and low often align with key support and resistance level in the market. This level can act as po ten tial entries or exit points for traders. We have to use this level and this indicator to mark out these zones on your chart for better decision making. The indicator has already marked this out for us on the chart. As we can see, this is a key resistance level and this is a key support level that was broken, and price is going back up to retest wherever it wants to retest before it's reversed. The third The third use of this indicator is to help us draw trend lines. The swing zigzag indicator simplifies the process of drawing trend lines by connecting exclusively swing highs and lows. You can easily identify dynamic support and resistance levels. We can simply draw a trend line by connecting consecutive swing highs and low. You can easily identify a dynamic support and resistance level that guides price movement. As we can see, we can easily connect a trend line in this area based on the direction of the swing indicator. We are going to draw our trend line based on what our indicator is showing us in this area, as we can see, and so on and so forth. The fourth use of this indicator is for chart pattern recognition. The swing zigzag is excellent for identifying classic chart patterns like the head and shoulders, double top, double bottom and triangular pattern. This indicator makes it easier for us to spot these signals, this chart pattern on our chart. This pattern often signal po ten tial reversals or continuation, and as we can see in this area of the market, price decided to show us a double bottom, and as you can see, the chart from the indicator signifies that we are making a double bottom in this area. So these are the key ways we can make use of these indicators in our chart. The fifth way we can use this indicator is by combining with other indicators. While the swing zigzag is a very powerful indicator on its own, combining it with other tools like the moving average, the Fibonacci retracement or oscillator can enhance its effectiveness. For example, if we decide to combine this indicator with our Fibonacci retracement, let's try adding our Fibonacci retracement to this particular level on the chart, and we can see that we have identified the retracement zones or the confluence area on the chart, and we can see that as price got to our area of reversal on the Fibonacci retracement level, our 61.80 level, which is our optimum trading level, you can see how price reacted with a push to the upside. Even if it came back down, we saw that price decided to react from that area. So this particular indicator, when combined with the Fibonacci retracement, is also a very powerful tool. Another use of this indicator is it helps us set our stop loss and trailing stop. The swing zigzag indicator points areas where we can use as swing points and are ideal to determine the stop loss levels. We have to place our stop loss just below the swing high in a downtrend and just above the recent swing low in an uptrend. For trailing stop, you just have to adjust your stop loss to a new swing point while it forms. So if we are to enter our trade in this particular area according to the Fibonacci, if we are to take our trade in this area after price have reacted from this area, all we need to do is to put our stop loss just below the recent swing low. This is how we set our stop loss and we allow the trade to run for a successful trade. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below if you want to hear about our experiences. We want to hear about your experiences. Do comment in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Turn on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.